Attention Modern Airs, Adrian here. Just out of breath, just carried a whole bunch of tile in here. Today was more of a field day for me. Quite a bit of showings to do for clients today, which is fantastic. It's early mid-January and the spring market seems to have begun already, which is just crazy, but the lack of inventory we've had the last couple of years, people trying to kind of wait out the market, saying not much is changing on it. They're jumping back in, trying to get to start early. Still lacking that inventory, so if you're thinking of selling, obviously let me know. Probably a good time to check in and see if it's time to rock and roll on that. Anyway, the project here, the Cliff May in Harvey Park, I was able to get a little more tile in today, which is great. Waiting for one more shipment of the retro tile to come in. And otherwise, my crew's here today. We're finishing up some drywall work. Painting and whatnot begins tomorrow inside. So that can crank, we're getting all the ceilings and obviously everything done inside, a nice new coat, just to kind of freshen and liven things up. And outside still cranking just fine, new HVAC system's in, heating this place up very nicely, which I'm happy about. And tankless should be finished with the install tomorrow. So anyway, things are still going fantastically here. I'm pretty happy about getting the progress, we're on track. This part of it's always kind of rough where it's just, you see my videos like this, it looks like crap, but it's still moving along. It's one of those where there's a lot of work goes into this part of it. That last 20% is where you see most of the change every single time you do something. This part just keeps moving slower and slower. The buyers were by here yesterday, checking in on things, seeing how they were going. They're super excited. They picked out some of the finishes that kind of gave them a choice of 1, 2, or 3, and they selected what they thought would work out best for them, and I'm just excited to see how they all come together. All right, looking forward to chatting with you again tomorrow. Thanks for the attention to Modern Airs. Have a great day.